What's up everybody? So today I will teach you ICT New York morning session strategy, about which the ICT himself said that if he had to use a single strategy for his whole life, he will use this strategy. So in this lecture we will know why is this strategy so important, and I will explain how to use it, and I will explain how to take the profits, where to close the trade, where to enter the trade, and where will be your stop loss. And also I will explain when not to use this strategy. So this will be a detailed video. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first step, if you want to use the strategy, you will draw the IPDA data ranges. Okay, so what is IPDA data ranges? ICT draws these ranges in the last 60 days of the price action. Okay, he draws it from the lows to the top. So in the last 60 days, this was the low. So you will draw this fib level, the 0.5 fib level, from the bottom to the top. Now, why we draw it? We draw it because it gives you an idea of the premium and the discount. Above it, this is the premium. Okay, let me color it red, and below it, this is the discount. So what is premium and discount? What he means by the premium and discount is that once the price comes down into the premium, it means the price is oversold, okay, and things are bullish. So anything bullish here, you can long it. And in the premium, if you see any bearish structure, you can go with a big size, because the market is overbought, okay, and it's in the, that's why he says it's in the premium, and the shorts will work for you. Okay, now you can draw these levels from this point to this point too. Like if you trade on smaller time frames, then you can draw multiple fib levels. Okay, and it will work for you. But in this lecture I'm gonna use the single one, this 0.5 fib level. Okay, so let's see how it works. I will shift to the 5-minute time frame to show you the morning session strategy. Let me choose a point. Okay, so we will discuss this one because this is close to the 0.5 fib level. So this is important level. Okay, the market is close to the premium, so this area is always important. Okay, the next step in this strategy will be that you have to change the timings to the New York UTC. Okay, you can see the time zone is UTC New York. You have to change your timings to the New York, and then what you have to do is you have to draw a vertical line at the 9:30 New York. Okay, like this one. So the first two steps are completed. We drawn some IPDA data ranges. Now we draw this vertical line. Okay, I will remove these boxes. Now the first two steps are completed. Now what's the next step? The next step is that you have to wait for the sweep of the pre 9:30 a.m. lows. Okay, like this is the 9:30 a.m. and these are the pre 9:30 a.m. lows. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So this is an important area because there are multiple lows. So what you have to do is we have to draw this line. Okay, once you get the sweep of this area, okay, after the 9:30 a.m., and then you get an order block, that's your entry point. Okay, and also this was the premium, and this is the discount. Okay, so anything bullish here and you will enter into your longs. This is the discount. So as we got the sweep and we got the order block, see, you have a series of down closing candle, and then the next candle, this went up. Okay, this is one of the definition of the order block. But if you shift to smaller time frames like 1 minute or 3 minute, you will see a structure like this. Let me show it. A down closing candle and then an up closing candle. Okay, At this point you will see something like this. So once you see this, you will have to wait for the price to come down to the 0.5 fib level of this candle, and then you will have to enter. Like you can see, it has come down. That's where you have to enter, and you will put your stop loss below here. Okay, and you can see that it went up. Now the question is, what should be your target, or when we should close? So you can target 15 to 20 pips, or you can target this pre 9:30 a.m. high. You can see it swept this high. Okay, and I was talking about order block. This is the structure of the order block. Okay, you will see something like this below this line. Okay, now you can see the price has entered into the premium. Also, it swept the pre 9:30 a.m. high. Again, if you see an order block, the bearish order block above here, then you will enter into your shorts, and your stop loss will be above here. Okay, and you can see it came down again. You can target 15 to 20 pips. So that's why ICT says if I had to use a single strategy for my whole life, it will be this one. Now, when not to use the strategy? You don't have to use the strategy, okay, when the price is in the mid range, like it's not close to the premium. Okay, this is an important area. Like this is the premium, this is the discount, the price wants to go up to the premium. That's why you can long this. Okay, if it was a bit down, I wouldn't have longed it, but here it's the important zone. You can see the price went up into premium, came down, and this is the discount, so the price wants to pump from here. That was all about morning session strategy. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and you will find these structures almost 2 to 3 days in a week. Okay,